Hey, welcome you all in T3P. To the point, in this quick video, I'm going to share three coupons from Udemy that can help you to learn Python and help you to prepare for AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate exam. So let's see what are the course we are having. If you are interested, just mention in the comment section for which course you are interested. So I'll share the coupon with you in the comment section right away. Uh, I'll show you what coupons you need to apply now. So the courses what we are having, first course we are having Python for beginners course, which is in depth where you will learn. There are 83 lectures and it covers around 7 hours of on-demand videos. And you will get full lifetime access of these courses once you enroll for this one. Next course is about if you want to learn how to create AI assistant, means even artificial intelligence assistant, then you can learn this through this course with the using Python. Next course we are having practice course, practice exam for AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate, where you will get 6 sets of questions, where in each set you will get 65 questions. So it will help you to learn and prepare for your AWS exam. So let's apply the coupon one by one. I'm telling you again, if you are interested for this course, just mention the course name and you are interested and share the coupon code here in the comment itself. So this is the coupon code you need to apply. Once you will click on apply, it will become free for you. You just need to go to inbox and you will have access to this course. Next course is learn to create AI assistant. The coupon for this one is very simple. That is APRIM 2023. Once you will click on apply, it will become free for you. Now we will go to the third course, that is for practice test for AWS Certified Solution Architect area. For this one, the coupon code is this one. You need to apply this code here, and once you will click on apply, it will become free for you. So if you are interested in any of the course, just mention in the comment box interested and the course name. I'll share the coupon code with you. Just be sure that these coupons are active, or we can say available for limited slots. So I'm not sure when it gets full. Once it will get full, it will not be available. So just grab them as soon as possible. So see you in next video for more coupons. Till then, happy learning.